one particular area of governance which holds a lot of importance to UP, and that is law and order. Now, this is something that past governments we've seen how badly they have handled, and law and order in general in UP is very challenging. So I wanted to understand from you how has law and order, been tackled by the Yogi Adityanath government in the last 4 years.
See, Kamal, you're right. UP is a very populous state, 22 crore people as per census, and there are law and order problems for sure, right? Because the weights handled in the last 15 years, that has become a practice, right? So what Yogi government has done, starting from the hygiene issue to the more advanced issue. So hygiene issue, and you will be shocked to hear this, from last 15 years, UP police is working on half capacity. Meaning there are 3 lakh vacant position, only 1.5 lakh were filled. So in last 15 years, UP government is only dealing with half of the police force, only 1.5 lakh police force, when the allocated standard 3 lakh. Why? Because in Mayawati government, a certain caste, certain religion people will get into, someone go to the high court, they will get a stay, and the whole vacancy recruitment will be annulled. In Akhilesh Yadav time, maybe a lot of Yadav people got preference, someone goes to the court, the whole recruitment process is annulled. Yogi Adityanath government fought each and every case, closed it, got the recruitment done in a very fair manner, so not there is a single iota of doubt, and now you'll be happy to hear that those 1.5 lakh police fellows are recruited, trained, and now on the field. Right? That itself makes a lot of difference. See, UP में कहा जाता है हिंदी में पुलिस की वर्दी का एक बाल है. So if you're wearing the police dress and you're standing on the road, that itself is half of the battle won, right? And then the Romeo squad. A lot of people make fun about it, but again, eve teasing is a very normal issue, in which becomes a lot of bigger fights, right? And how near malls, near colleges, near schools, how this Romeo squad is placed. Technology, dial 100 was going on from previous government, how advancements are made in that. How in the starting 1 or 2 months, all the dreaded criminals, right, who were tadipar, who were FIR'd but never jailed, who ran from the courtrooms, and nobody arrested them. Like they were FIR'd, they were ran from the courtroom, and people know where they're living, but nobody arrested them, right? All such 2,000, 3,000 people were forced to even surrender or do a date with the God, right? And now people like Mukhtar Ansari, people like all such dreaded criminals who are walking in the corridors of Parliament or who are walking in the corridors of Assembly, now their illegally occupied property is getting confiscated, and they are running for their life, right? So you know what is the biggest, and I tell everyone, if you want to follow the status of law and order in any state, one is you'll go NCRB data when it'll come, but see is the money coming back there. So when you see a 5 lakh crore investment promise comes in the first year, and almost 30-40% already started, how a company like Paytm, which is in Noida but never delivered in Noida before 2017, started delivering even cash on delivery, because now people are moving their companies to Lucknow even, right, and various other parts of UP, because now they saw their money safe, their employees are safe, right? So yeah, law and order is a challenging situation in UP. But see, earlier there's a philosophy on which UP government was running, right? And we all know that ladke hain galti ho jati hai. Ladke hain galti abhi bhi hoti hai, but now they go to jail. Within 4 days, 5 days, they travel to jail, right? You keep hearing a lot of cases here and there, which is I call a doorstep reporting, because the whole of media is in Noida. But a similar or even a graver issue in Kerala is not an issue for some reason in 9 o'clock news. A similar or graver issue in West Bengal is not an issue in 9 o'clock news. But even a smaller issue, I normally say no issue, smaller issue, bigger issue, but UP get extra lens, right? Because of Yogi's saffron rope, as I told you, anti-yogism is an industry for media. But again, law and order is improving, and the way industry is coming back with confidence to UP, and that's a big signal for the positive law and order.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.